Mr. Zheng Shanjie, Director of the National Development and Planning Commission of China, and Mr. Ahsan Iqbal, Federal Minister for Planning, Development and Special Initiative of Pakistan, Mr. Huang Renqiu, Minister of Ecology and Environment of China, and Mr. Khalil Hashmi, Ambassador of Pakistan to China. They will sign the MOU on Economic Development Cooperation and the MOU on Environment and Climate Change Cooperation. Please exchange. Mr. Zhang Zhu, Minister of Agriculture and Rural Affairs of China, and Mr. Rana of Pakistan. Madam Sun Meijun, Minister of General Administration of Customs of China, and Mr. Ambassador Khalil Hashmi. They will sign the letter of handover for veterinary vaccines donation and the protocol on dried fruits and nuts to be exported to China. Please exchange. Minister Sun Meijun and Mr. Saif Anjum, Federal Secretary for Industries and Production of Pakistan. Mr. Luo Wen, Director of the State Administration for Market Regulation of China, and Ambassador Mr. Khalil Hashmi. They will sign the protocol on maize to be exported to China and the MOU on Conformity Assessment Cooperation. Please exchange. Mr. Fu Hua, President of Xinhua News Agency of China, and Mr. Atal Latara, Federal Minister for Information and Broadcasting of Pakistan. Mr. Xie Chuntao, Vice President of the Party School of the Central Committee of the Communist Party of China, and Ambassador Mr. Khalil Hashmi. They will sign the MOU on News Cooperation and the MOU of cooperation between the Party School of the CPEC Central Committee and Pakistan National School of Public Policy. Please exchange. Mr. Shen Haixiong, President of China Media Group, and Mr. Federal Minister Atal Latara, Mr. He Junke, Party Branch Secretary of the China Association of Science and Technology, and Ambassador Mr. Khalil Hashmi. They will sign the MOU of cooperation on co-production of documentaries and the MOU on people-to-people exchanges in science and technology. Please exchange. Mr. Yan Dong, Vice Minister of Commerce of China, and Mr. Jawada Paul, Federal Secretary of Commerce of Pakistan. Mr. Chen Xiaodong, Chairman of the China International Development Cooperation Agency, and Ambassador Mr. Khalil Hashmi. They will sign the MOU on free trade and multilateralism, the letter on counterterrorism equipment cooperation, and the MOU on human resource development cooperation. Please exchange. Mr. Chairman Chen Xiaodong and Mr. Federal Minister Ahsan Iqbal, Mr. Wang Shiting, Party Secretary of China Foreign Affairs University, and Mr. Said Jilani, Director General of the Foreign Service Academy of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Pakistan. They will sign the MOU on cooperation in agricultural sector and the MOU of cooperation between the China Foreign Affairs University and the Foreign Service Academy of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Pakistan. Please exchange.
签字仪式到此结束，谢谢李强总理，谢谢夏巴兹总理。
This is the end of the signing ceremony. Thank you, Premier Li and Prime Minister Shahbaz.